Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We will to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on reviewing here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you automatically to this list here. Then you go down, you come here to automatic display answer. So then just click here in this sign or this color here. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here automatic display answer disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.